With the holidays fast approaching and COVID cases rising again, San Francisco public health officials are sounding the alarm.
Yeah, they're letting people know that while it's okay to gather this year, steps have to be taken to protect yourself and others. KRON 4's Dan Kerman, he is live in San Francisco with details on what they're saying. Dan?
That's right, a big difference this year compared to last. Remember, last year we were told not to gather, to stay in our house, to keep among ourselves. This year, people being encouraged to gather, but city officials are saying if you're going to do it, you have to make sure you're protected and you protect the ones around you.
I'm hopeful that we won't see anything like we saw last winter.
Cautious optimism from San Francisco Public Health Director Dr. Grant Colfax about what's in store as the holidays approach. This despite the fact that the city has seen an uptick in COVID-19 cases since Halloween, similar to what we saw in 2020.
I think it's a combination of cooler weather, people going, gathering more inside, and people increasing their activity. It's really a combination of those factors that is resulting in the increase that we've seen so far.
That increase in cases could lead to an increase in hospitalizations, especially among those most at risk. That's why Colfax is urging residents to protect themselves immediately.
Getting vaccinated and getting a booster are key to protecting yourself and others from the worst outcomes, and that will blunt. Certainly help us blunt a surge in these circumstances.
Colfax says 80% of San Francisco residents age 5 and above are fully vaccinated, which is good. But he says protection wanes after 6 months, which is why San Francisco was one of the first jurisdictions to open boosters to anyone 18 years of age and older. But so far, only 138,000 San Franciscans have gotten the booster, and less than half of eligible seniors have gotten it.
We need many more San Franciscans to need boosters to keep cases down and avoid the worst of a surge. So boosters are a key tool, in addition to getting those initial vaccine doses into arms.
Now, we're finding as we get closer and closer to Thanksgiving,